Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to make Subway surfers using ChatGPT. So first type this prompt to ChatGPT. Then you copy code and paste to Hopweb. This is some examples of the prompts. I will add all prompt.in description. I will also put hopweb.app link in description as well. Don't miss this next steps. Now when you copied your code, open Hopweb app. Now make new project. Add a name and press OK. Open the project and delete PNG file and all code inside HTML file. Then you copy paste code from ChatGPT to Hopweb. Now paste your code and save it. Then press play button to run project. Then ask ChatGPT to fix any error. Please tell me what to make next. If you want to buy this code then please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.